Hello everyone, welcome back. Lego Man Stu here. In this video I'll be opening and sending the Lego Brickheadz twin pack 40620. It's a Disney Villains one. It has Cruella DeVille and Maleficent. See, like that. So you've got two characters in one box. I picked this up at a good price, as I always do. But before we go any further, I would like to thank Adem Vineyard, thank you for your comment on doing alternative builds. I will be doing some 3-in-1 stuff very soon because I am starting to get quite a lot of it, but I am getting some other stuff as well at the moment, so I'm just trying to get the balance just right. I'm also looking out for the Transformer ones as well, so if anyone wants to send me them, do feel free. Oh yes, and I'd like to thank Mathscraft Lopez for your kind comments again on my videos, very much appreciated. And I would also like to thank Brickheadz for subscribing. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. If you'd like a shout out on one of my videos, all you have to do is leave a kind or constructive comment on one of my videos, and you will get a shout out. Without further ado, we will get on with opening this box. Hopefully it's not got too many stickers. If you do look at the box, it's got the Disney animated versions of them on there as well as the Lego versions. So you can kind of see what they look like, just in case you don't know. I'm not a big Disney fan, but I have seen both the versions of the films because my daughters do like that sort of thing. So. We have two instruction manuals. We'll see which ones are bag number one. So looks like bags number one are Cruella DeVille. So let me check bag number one. These are bags number two. I'm probably going to do each one on separate videos, just keep the videos a little bit shorter. So we start off with, I always like to have the box handy because sometimes when you're doing the build, sometimes the actual build doesn't necessarily make sense. So three bags for bag number one. Obviously, if you're using scissors, be careful. Or if you're actually a little bit younger. Make sure you've got an adult with you. I can just about get away with not having an adult with me. So oh, there's a wheel arch piece in here. I think that's for the shoulder pads. So these should be all the Cruella DeVille pieces. So we start off with two white 4x1 base plates. Whilst I'm doing this, I try and sort it out into some sort of colours. So we've got two white 4x1 base plates go together, like so. Two black 1 square studs with like a tooth piece moulded onto it. I'm trying to work out where this goes on the body, but can't quite see that yet. Well, we will see how that pans out. So they go on there like that. Next we have a white 2x1 base plate and two white 2 high square studs moulded together, or two They go on like that. Next we have a white 2x1 brick with studs on the side. That's what we have so far. Next we have a white 4x2 base plate, another white 4x2 base plate. They go together on the back like that. Next we have two white 3x1 right angled base plates, which are these ones here. Now we have two blue 2x2 base plates with a 2x1 base plate moulded onto one side. So we've got two of these. They go on like that. Next you've got two green 2x2 round base plates. Push them together like so, and they go in the middle. They're like what they call an Easter egg piece, because you don't see it, they're just in there because they can, really. Now it's got two yellow 2x1 base plates. And we've got two red 2x1 base plates, which are these ones here, and two red 2x1 base plates with a female C connector on the longer side. They go together like that, and I've done this twice, and these are going to be the arms. As it's a brickhead, it only does need short arms, so they go on like that. Next we have two yellow, or should have, two yellow 2x1 base plates and a black 2x1 base plate with a male connector bar on the longer side. You put the yellow base plates on top and bottom. Go on like that. Next we've got the two white wheel arch pieces, which are these ones here. I like seeing pieces like this in a set like this. So, and also have two of these white square studs. So it's two white square studs moulded together. So we've got four of these, which so you put two of these. Wrong bit. Two of these go in there. So originally it looks like that, as you can see. Try and show you that. Good thing about buying these sets is you do get various bricks in them, which is quite cool. You can just order the bricks yourself if you want to, off Bricklink or companies like that. But I do think it's a lot better being able to just, you get the set, you do the build, and you get some different bricks to play with as well. So next we have a cream, or should have, a cream 4x1 base plate. Two cream 2x2 base plates with a 2x1 base plate moulded onto one side. Goes on there like that. Then you have 4 white 2x1 curved roofing pieces which go over the wheel arches. So that's going to be her shoulder pads. Goes on like that, as you can see. Now we've got a cream 4x2 base plate, goes on the top there like so. Now we've got 2 white 2x2 curved roofing pieces and 2 white 2x1 base plates. 2x1 base plate goes on the top side like that, and we do that twice, and that makes the top of the shoulders. Like that. Next we turn the build around, and we've got 2 of these cream 2x1 bricks. I think they're 1 2/3, and they got studs on one side. So you got those on there like that. Now we turn it round again, and we got 2 of these cream 2x1 bricks with the studs on the side. Then we've got 2 cream 1 bricks with two studs on 2 corners. And a cream 2x1 brick with the stud on the side, so that goes in there like that. And now we're going for the what I call the standard with these sets. You do have a green 2x2 base plate, a red 2x2 brick, a light blue or blue 2x2 base plate, and a pink 2x2 brick. These four go together like so, then go in that hole there. So they do this with the brickheads just to fill that hole. So now we've got 6 of these grey 2x1 bricks that are 1 2/3 high. And these go on here now on the sides. On like that. Then we've got 2 blue 3x2 base plates. Go on the top there like that. I think that is where the head is actually going to go. So Now we make the face plate. So that's a cream 4x4 base plate, a cream 4x2 plate, two green square studs, a cream 2x2 plate, and a cream 4x1 plate. That goes on there like that. Then we have two of the round one plates with the eye detail on it. I'll try and show you that. I'll show you that in a minute. Goes like that. And that bit goes on there like that. Now we have one black and should have one white 2x2 base plate with a 2x1 base plate moulded onto one side with studs on the side. So we've got one in black and one in white. There you go, on there like that. We've got two yellow 4x2 base plates on the top like that. And you've got one. Next you've got a black and a white 3x1 base plate. So obviously going for the black and white theme with Cruella. And then you have a black 2x1 base plate and a white 2x1 base plate. Goes on that side. Now we have two, or should have, try to see the pieces I'm looking for here, and I'm probably going blind because obviously it's a good reminder to get your eyes tested. So there's one, there's the other one. So we got two white 2x2 curved roofing pieces, two black 2x2 curved roofing pieces, then we got a black double square stud stack moulded piece and a white double square stack moulded piece to go on. They go on like that. Then you've got two black pizza pieces and two white pizza pieces. Just in case you don't know what I mean, this is what I call a pizza piece. It's like a Lego. It's a quarter circle plate with one the same size as one brick. So Then that goes on there like that. And we turn this to this side here. And then we have a purple square stud. And then we have a black 3x1 flat base plate. A black 3x1 with a black 3x1 base plate and a white square 1 plate. Goes on the side like so. Next we have a black 4x1 curved roofing piece. And then a black 2x1 curved roofing piece and a black square plate. Goes on the side like that. And we have two black 3x1 curved roofing pieces. There you go, on there like that. I've got a black Lego 1 brick headlight piece and a black square plate. And that squeezes in there like that. Next we have a black 3x1 base plate, a black 2x1 base plate, and a black 2x1 curved roofing piece, angled curved roofing piece, goes on like that. And that attaches on there like that. This is some really good building. I do like it actually. It's a lot of work and it's a lot of like fiddly bits, but it's kind of what you come to expect one of these. Next we have a black 4x1 curved roofing piece. That goes on there like that. Next we have a green square stud, a white 3x1 plate. I should have done this together really as black and white because that would have been a bit easier, but so they go on like that. So essentially doing the same thing we did with on the other side, but you're just doing it with white pieces instead. Next you have a white square plate. A white 4x1 curved roofing piece, a white 3x1 right angled base plate, a white looking for a white 2x1 curved roofing piece and a white square plate. There you go, on there like that. So essentially we are doing the same thing we did before, but with white bricks instead this time. So 2 white 3x1 curved roofing pieces. A white headlight piece and a white square plate. They go together and then goes in the back here. Very tight to get in under that wheel arch slash shoulder piece. Next, got a white 3x1 base plate, a white 2x1 base plate, and a white 2x1 curved roofing piece with an angled point. Now we got a white 4x1 curved roofing piece. That bit goes on there like that. Just checking the studs that everything's right on there. Now we work on the back bit here. So we have a white 2x1 base plate, a white 3x1 base plate, a black 3x1 base plate, two black a black 3x1 right angled base plate and a white 3x1 right angled base plate. Obviously you can see the theme here, so there you go on the back. Then now we have a black and a white 2x1 base plate with the male groove edge on it. There you go, on there like that. Next you get a left and right white 2x1 curved roofing piece with the angled edge. Goes on the back there like so. A black 2x1 plate, a white 2x1 plate. Put in the wrong place. I've got a white 1 square plate and a black 1 square plate. There you go on the back there, like so. Try and show you that. Quite hard to see in this light. We are over halfway, so thank you for bearing with me on this. These Brickheadz sets are generally quite fiddly. So now we have a white cheese piece and a black cheese piece, which go in the back, so that makes it look a bit smoother. Now we've got a black 2x1 base plate and a black 2x1 base plate with a male groove on one side. goes in like that. I'll do the same on the other side with a white 2x1 with the same bricks but in white. Now we should have a black 4x1 curved roofing piece and a white 3x1 curved roofing piece. And there you go, on the back there, like that. Do the same with the, do the same but with white bricks instead. Actually, the white pieces go onto. I have made a mistake again. So the white pieces go on where the cheese pieces do. So that's Cruella so far. Now we make her legs. So it's one of these cream 2x1 bricks with each stud on the side, and two red 2x1 base plates go on the bottom there. They go on like that. Now we have two white 1 bricks with a stud on 2 sides. Try and make sure I get this right, get its angle right. So there you go, on like that. Now we make the bottom of her coat, and that is 3 of these 4x1 arch pieces and 3 2x1 base plates, and you put those in like that. Do that 3 times. Oh, obviously don't be heavy-handed like I am. Oh, move that one, move now. Obviously don't. So therefore you've got the bottom of the coat there. It's quite intense. I say intense. It's quite in. It's very. It's one of those builds. It has a lot of thought has gone into this one. So now we have a red 4x1 base plate, a black 4x1 base plate, a cream square stud with a female C connector on it, a black 3x1 base plate, another black 4x1 base plate, and a red 4x1 plate. They go together like that. Then you push this bit in the middle here onto the male connector bar. So that bit goes on there like that. I do quite like this build actually. It does seem to be. It's labour. It's very intensive. It's intensive labour from a building point of view, but it does look good. Now we've got a white 3x1 base plate, a white 3x1 plate, and these go together like so. They go on there like so. This does feel very solid in my hand though, it has to be said. Now we've got two white cheese pieces to go on top of the head. Two black cheese pieces. They go on there like that, and this is the basis of the Cruella de Vil build. It does look good. Now we make her base, and that is a 6x6 black base plate, black 4x2 plate, a black 4x1 plate, a black 4x1 half flat, half studded plate, they go together like so. Here we have Cruella de Vil. She does look very good. The coat isn't overly spotty, which is the doesn't kind of look like it's made of Dalmatian, which is a little bit. But I suppose to do that, they either got to put stickers on or do other bits or print other bits, which is a little bit. But it does look okay. I do actually quite like this build. It is actually quite good. I will be reviewing both the figures together on one video, purely to save time, and reviews don't take quite as long as a build. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. I am on YouTube, Instagram and Threads. If you have if you'd like a shout out on the channel, all you have to do is leave a kind or constructive comment on one of my videos, or like, share and subscribe. If you do leave a like, just put a thumbs up or smiley face in the comments, just so I know you have, because YouTube doesn't actually tell you who's liked, disliked, or put what on your videos. So anyway, so if you do leave a like and you do want to shout out, just put happy face, smiley comment, or just put liked or anything like that. As long as it's a kind comment and I can read it out on here without getting my account shut down, life will be good. As I was saying, hope to see you on an upcoming video. Stay safe, keep building, and watch out for the dogs, and see you in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching.